apart the 7.3. I've got, like, I don't know, maybe 20-30 minutes into it, and the biggest problem was the turbo V-band clamp on the exhaust side was stuck. And now we've got one bolt on the pedestal on the back of the turbo. We're going to try and get to that. The first one was kind of hard to get to. See if I can flip this thing around. It doesn't won't let us change the camera. We're about 30 minutes into turbo pedestal removal. It took a little while to get the V-band clamp off of the exhaust side. Right now I got one bolt left on the back of the turbo. I can't really get to it to spray it. And it was definitely were a pain. I used the Cornwell, like, I don't know how, like 3-foot freaking 3/8 drive. I just couldn't get in there well enough. So basically what you're pulling off of here is that and that and that. The charge pipes. You can leave this one if you can just wiggle it out of the way. I'm making a more comprehensive video, but I just wanted to upload this one really quick to show you guys what I'm up to. So it's 412,000 miles. So, you know, there's oil in the tubes and stuff, and I don't know how good the turbo is or not, but right now I don't really have a lot of options. I'm going to have to roll with what I got. In fact, I'm probably going to be pulling the pedestal and just welding the EBPV or tapping it and plugging it. So anyway, I'll catch you guys with the long video.